Some of the longest claws belong to the smallest of bears. Just 1/10 the size of a grizzly, a sun bear is a jungle survival specialist. But with an almost unrivaled sense of smell, he follows his nose. He's narrowed down the source of the sweet aroma. Just one problem. It's all the way up there. But sun bears love honey. Good thing they're also champion climbers. Those long, curved claws give excellent grip. And a dog-sized frame keeps him light and agile. But he's barking up the wrong tree. Sun bears also love feasting on grubs inside rotten logs. While the other bears distracted, a chance to switch trees. The bees are angry, but thankfully stingless. At last, he struck gold. Those claws also make a handy honey scoop, and a 10-inch tongue does the rest. When it comes to finding food in the jungle, sun bears have it licked.